The marketing landscape isn't just evolving, it's transforming. What if your marketing could understand, adapt, and grow alongside your business? Enter AI, the game changer that's no longer a futuristic fantasy but a present-day reality. Welcome to the age where AI isn't a luxury, it's the secret weapon every small business must wield. Today, we're diving into how AI unlocks customer experiences, automates growth, and reshapes strategy itself. Chapter 1. AI-powered personalization. Imagine walking into a store where everything was picked just for you. That's what AI does in digital form. From personalized product suggestions based on your browsing habits to dynamic pricing that adjusts with demand, AI reads the room so you don't have to. And with chatbots providing 24/7 support, every click feels like a conversation. Chapter 2. AI-driven content creation and optimization. Need content faster, smarter, and optimized? AI's got it. Whether it's writing blog posts, crafting captions, or creating stunning visuals, tools like ChatGPT and image generators save time and elevate quality. Add keyword insights and behavioral data and your content doesn't just speak, it converts. Chapter 3. AI marketing automation. Automation isn't about replacing marketers, it's about amplifying them. AI fine-tunes your campaigns, scores leads with precision, and predicts what your audience wants before they even know it. You don't just react, you anticipate, engage, and grow with every click. Chapter 4. Ethics and the human element. With great power comes great responsibility. AI must be ethical, transparent about data usage, respectful of consent, and inclusive by design. Human-centered AI means pairing tech with empathy, making marketing feel more human, not less. Chapter 5. The future of AI in marketing. We're entering a new era where platforms handle everything from campaign management to analytics, all powered by AI. For small businesses, this levels the playing field. Now it's not about resources, it's about readiness. As we navigate this thrilling frontier, remember, it's not about replacing creativity, it's about amplifying it. The tools are here. The question is, will you wield them? So research, experiment, and adopt the tools that align with your goals. This isn't a trend, it's the transformation. Stay curious, stay creative, and let AI help you own your future. Did you find value in this video? Show us some love by giving it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. If you're eager to dive deeper into the world of AI marketing, make sure to subscribe for more updates. And if you can't wait to bring these ideas to life, hit that like button and let's make some magic happen together. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the exciting world of AI marketing. Remember, the future is yours to shape. Stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep growing. Wishing you all the best in your AI marketing adventures. Take care and goodbye.